Hello, and welcome to the Mobile User Acquisition Show, a podcast to help you unlock tremendous growth for your app. My name is Shamant Rao. I'm the CEO of the boutique growth marketing firm Rocket Ship HQ and host of the podcast Mobile User Acquisition Show. In each episode, we feature experts in the field of mobile growth and discuss strategies, tips, and pointers from the leading edge of mobile growth marketing. By the end of each episode, you will have gained actionable and tactical insights that will help you make more informed decisions in your own work around growth. The Mobile User Acquisition Show is produced by Meryl Vincent, Content Marketing Manager at Rocket Ship HQ. In today's episode, we will address a common question. Should subscription apps run user acquisition campaigns on ad networks such as IronSource, AppLovin, or Unity? Let's dive in. So the number one concern that I hear when I propose this idea to app developers is that ad networks primarily have gaming inventory, and many wonder whether a gaming audience is the right fit for a lifestyle subscription app that may be focusing on wellness, fitness, learning, or other consumer utilities. Based on our experience, the answer is a resounding yes. Let me explain why. Number one, gaming is mainstream. Gone are the days when gaming was limited to the stereotypical teenager in a basement being super nerdy in front of a console, right? And mobile certainly has democratized gaming. And today, your typical gamer could be anyone, from middle-aged folks in, say, Kansas City, waiting for a bus and wanting to spend the next 3 minutes of their time with a hyper-casual game. It could be your partner. It could be you. Gaming is a mass market phenomenon. And if you're trying to capture a broad audience, targeting gamers may be much more logical than you initially think. Number two, the power of probabilistic. So ad networks currently use probabilistic matching for optimization. Now, without getting into the debate around whether this is fingerprinting and whether it's allowed, what's critical to note is that as of now, probabilistic remains effective and it is allowed. So probabilistic essentially looks at various signals from a device and makes a model to match data points like the time of impression, install, trial, and purchase to identify, attribute, and report on users and thereby campaign performance. Why this is effective is that this can circumvent many of the limitations imposed by Apple's ATT policy, which obfuscates a lot of conversion signal on iOS devices. And as a result of this, probabilistic allows for a much, much stronger feedback loop than SKAN, which means stronger results for your campaigns and clearer reporting because the ad network algorithm is able to identify installers, trialers, and purchasers a lot better and with a lot more clarity. Number three, faster learning phase. So ad networks have a distinct advantage with their relatively fast learning phases. And when a lot more of your conversions are tracked, the ad networks learn faster. This, again, is in contrast with DSPs, which might take way, way longer because they're looking for users on the open web, or networks relying on SKAN, whose learning phases can be slowed down by ATT's data obfuscation. Reason number four, UGC or user-generated content stands out. We've noticed that among the many gaming-focused ads that are running on ad network inventory, which also comprises games for most part, UGCs for subscription apps stand out. The novelty catches the eye in a sea of other gaming ads or within a gaming context, leading to improved gaming performance. In a nutshell, SDK networks like IronSource, AppLovin, and Unity have proven invaluable for subscription app user acquisition from our perspective.
and we've seen a lot, very strong performance and scale on these for multiple apps. And if you're involved in user acquisition at any level, we strongly recommend including these into your strategy. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep growing.
For more tips, pointers, and strategies from the leading edge of mobile user acquisition, subscribe to our YouTube channel right here, or check out our blog, rocketship.hq.com/blog.